If you want to be a good productive user of generative AI, then you must come up with good prompts. And writing a good AI prompt is all about being specific. There are some key pieces of information you can provide to speed up the generation of your perfect text or spreadsheet formula with OpenAI ChatGPT. But if you're struggling to create good prompts, then there are lots of prompt generators available in the market today. Some of them are specific to the LLMs like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and a lot of other, and some of them are domain specific. That list is rapidly growing. On your screen, there is a ChatGPT prompt generator from Hugging Face, which I have found out quite useful. The only problem with it is that if you're using the free version, then the queue could be longer. As you can see on your screen right now, the queue is 1227, and I have just run it. On the left hand side, I gave the input of Cloud Engineer, then I clicked on submit, and it is still working on it. And I think it will take some time because this is the free version which I'm using, and the queue is huge. Anyway, so if you're struggling to create a prompt, go to this website, which I have found out quite useful. If you're willing to pay a couple of dollars, otherwise there are a lot of free tooling available too. But the only problem is that because of the popularity and load on ChatGPT, that might take some time. There are other LLMs too, like Midjourney, as I mentioned. If you are looking to get a prompt related to that, that is less busy, and you could get some good tooling too. But remember that to create an AI prompt, start by defining your goal and gathering data. Next, write a clear, concise prompt that will guide the AI you are using to generate the output you desire. Finally, test and iterate on your prompt until you achieve the desired result. With a little bit of patience and creativity, you'll have an amazing AI prompt that can help you automate tasks and enhance your workflows. Still, I believe the best tool for for generating the AI prompt is your brain. And but if you're struggling, then feel free to use these prompt generators. I hope that you like this video. If you have any feedback, please put it in the comment section. Thank you.